spring is in the air. It is so warm today. I think it's like 58 or 59 or something. It's real nice. And I'm going to go do some fishing. This wild stream, special area. It's actually private parking, but now it's the off season, so people can park there. And I jumped at the opportunity. And you know what? I got my stuff. I just got some lures for the spring and stuff. You know, we're gonna see if we can catch us a fish. Some old timer gave me some advice and some pointers, and you know, I'm gonna try it. We're gonna go try down by these bridges, and if not, I have another spot on standby for on the way back, but hopefully we can get one here. Fishing with live bait. The original way. Oh, I already see some fish down there. Don't think they're trout though. They don't look like it. Look like fall fish to me. See if we can get it right. There we go. That's good. Now we just let that float down. Wait for that bobber to go down. Oh, I see a school of something. I wonder what. Oh, are they suckers? I think they might be suckers. Oh, I scared them. I totally scared them. All right, let's see it. Just let it drift down. They all left around it. Yeah, those are all suckers, I think. Just sitting out there in the middle. Oh, a lot of suckers down there, man. My favorite way to fish for these guys is actually on a really small jig head. So you can get just the right amount of finesse. Oh, yeah. The feed the bobber, probably what scares them away. I feel like if you can just get just the right amount of weight and bait in front of them. So I just took my bobber off. Got him. Oh no! Shoot. Got him. There's a gut. There we go. There we go. There we go. Woo! Okay. Oh, let's get him. Let's get him. Whoa, 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 whoa. Where'd my hook go? Oh, we came off. Whoa, whoa, come on. Come on, buddy. Chill out. Yeah. Hog sucker. I believe that is a hog sucker. Because I know he has the bigger mouth. Nice. Well, it took quite a few bites, but we finally got him. Beautiful. Beautiful fish. All right, let's toss him back. Woo! Hog sucker. Just get it back on my casting log. Oh, I do not have my bait. I lied. Let me get another piece of worm on there. Let's try that again. But I want to come back here when it's warmer out. This one's a good one, guys. Oh, he's swimming. He's going crazy. He's going crazy. Okay, he's on the head. He's on the head. Swing him up. Okay. Oh, shoot. He came off for sure. Whoa. That's a big one. Oh, that's a big old sucker. Okay. Come on, buddy. Man, he bit it down so hard. I felt that bite from a mile away. That's a good fight you gave, dude. Good job. Whew. Let's do one more. One more. If I can. I got one of these sucker fish, but, huh? I got one of these sucker fish, but nothing else extraordinary. I got one of the sucker fish, but nothing else extraordinary. Yeah. Huh? Oh, I was just using lures, but he just hit just a worm because I had them. I just had these worms laying in the back of my car. What? Cool. What, in Valley Forge? Yeah. The only thing that's really here, I think, is the sucker fish. Oh, I think I got him in the back. Oh no, I got him in the head. He came over and bit it. That's a sucker fish. Sucker. Yep. Sucker fish. Sucker fish. Native sucker fish. I think there's a hog sucker. Three that one back. Oh dude, they're the greatest fight, the sucker fish, man. I love them. They're the greatest fight. I love them. I might even prefer to catch them over the trout here. And that's gonna be it for me today, guys. That was a surprisingly lucky way just to come down here. I got, what, 3 suckers, give or take? I forgot. Boy, I'm happy with that. I never thought in a billion years I would get that good results. I hope y'all enjoyed watching, and I'll catch y'all next time.